Hey, hope you're having an awesome day. We're going to make the most delicious drawing ever. Just don't eat the paper. And what we're going to be drawing is fairy bread. Now, if you're not from Australia or from New Zealand, you probably don't know what fairy bread is. And what is fairy bread? Well, it is literally, I'll show you, it's this. It's basically bread with some butter and hundreds and thousands or sprinkles over it. It's a bread special treat that we have for birthday parties and other things like that. Although I have seen some people have it in their school lunch as well, so you can eat it any time, but normally special occasions. It is delicious. If you haven't tried it, go make it. It's super easy. But we're going to draw it today, and it's going to be a super fun drawing. Alright, so all we need is some paper, marker, and some colour, which we'll talk about later. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so let's draw our bread. So we're going to draw the top of the bread. So we're going to make a traditional slice of bread, and we're going to have a bite taken out of the corner as well. That makes it a lot of fun. So let's start at the top. We're going to do a bit of a curve. It's going to be like a bit of a J shape. So we're going to start on the top here and go around like that. Cool, we're going to leave this little gap open because this is where we're going to have the bite. And then on this side here, we're going to carry down a little further to about there. And then we're going to have a nice rounded corner and carry along the bottom of the slice of bread. Yep. And then we'll do one little line there because we're looking at the bread the three-dimensional way. And then on this corner here, we're going to draw a line going up and stop about here. And then we're going to do another line parallel to that and stop about there. Cool. Alright, now in here we're going to do a bite. So we're going to try and draw about 4 bite marks. So 1, or as many as you like. Cool, okay, and then we're going to draw another little line going down here. And then we're going to draw the same shape, joining this dot up to this point here as well. Yeah, and then all we're going to draw is these lines to connect the points. So it should look like that. And there is our slice of bread with a big bite taken out of it. So that's pretty much our line drawing ready. And the next part is to colour in. So the first thing that we're going to do with colouring in is we're just going to colour this side here, not where the bite is, but just this side here. And normally we're just going to make it a light brown, which is like the crust of the bread. Okay, so the next part is to draw all the hundreds and thousands or sprinkles all over the bread. And hundreds of thousands of sprinkles, if you normally look at the colours, they're normally these sort of colours: blue, purple, pink, green, yellow, orange, and white as well. So all we're going to need to do is take these colours and start randomly drawing circles. I'm going to start with orange because that's my favourite colour. And just start doing, you can just do dots, or you can do circles like about that big, and you just randomly fill the page up with one colour, and then you move on to the next colour and next colour until you've got the whole surface of that area coloured in. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to speed this up and it's going to look super awesome. Alrighty, and we're all done. So you've used all our colours and we just filled it up with lots and lots and lots and lots of dots. Natasha asked before, oh, how many dots there are? Well, that's the next challenge, is to count how many dots that you drew. I think there'll probably be hundreds. So there you go, really simple, draw a piece of bread and just go all dotty. My eyes were starting to go blurry after a little while from drawing the dots, but it is a lot of fun. Alright, there we go, there's how to draw fairy bread. It is a delicious treat. If you're from Australia or New Zealand, you probably already know that. If you're anywhere else in the world, just try it. Get some bread, put some butter on it, put some sprinkles or hundreds of thousands, whatever you call it, and yeah, delicious. Thanks for watching. Check out our channel for all our other drawing videos. See you next time. Bye!